Aquarium Installation and Maintenance, Northern Beaches, New South Wales. This robust mobile business offers a good income, great flexibility, and the opportunity to grow the business if desired. Currently run from a home in the Northern Beaches, Fish for You has always had a very reliable customer base. Turnover is remarkably steady, with 80% from the main activity of servicing and 20% from installing aquariums. Enjoy the benefit of having regular clients, most serviced every 4 weeks, with some even fortnightly. You'll love the variety of work, from very lucrative large custom jobs to aquariums and pond maintenance. With a 50-50 split between domestic and commercial clientele, you can run 95% of the business out of a van. Assets include a 2016 iLoad van, up to $10,000 worth of stock, personalised phone numbers, training, and more. The current owner hasn't needed to advertise, so there is huge potential to further boost revenue through targeted marketing. Perfect for someone living close to the Northern Beaches, the buyer could easily employ extra staff to grow the business. If you're keen to work for yourself and you have an interest in aquatic life, this business is made to measure.